How do you know if an algebra expression is fully simplified? Have you ever looked at an algebra expression and wondered if it is as simple as it can get? Today, we will break down how to determine if an algebra expression is fully simplified. This is an important skill that will help you tackle more complex problems later on. First, let's talk about combining like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers. For example, 3 times x and 5 times can be combined to make 8 times. However, 3 times x and 5 times x squared cannot be combined because their variables are different. Next, we need to remove any parentheses. This is done by using the distributive property. When you see parentheses, you should distribute the multiplication over addition or subtraction. After doing this, there should be no brackets left in the expression. Now let's discuss exponent rules. When you have terms with exponents, you can only combine them if they have the same base and exponent. For instance, if you have 2 times squared and 3 times squared, you can combine them to make 5 times x squared. But if you have 2 times squared and 3 times y squared, you cannot combine them. Another important step is to arrange the expression in a clear order. You should write the terms with the highest exponents first, followed by lower exponents, and then any constants at the end. This makes it easier to read and understand the expression. Lastly, check if there are any further arithmetic operations that can be performed. If you can still add, subtract, multiply, or divide to make the expression simpler, then it is not fully simplified yet. To summarize the process, start by looking for parentheses and removing them. Then, identify and combine all like terms. After that, simplify any powers or exponents using the rules we discussed. Rearranging the terms in order from highest to lowest exponent will help with clarity. Finally, confirm that there are no further operations left to perform. For example, take the expression 5 times squared minus 4 times x minus 5. This expression is fully simplified because the terms have different exponents or are constants, and there are no like terms left to combine. Understanding how to simplify expressions not only makes algebra easier but also prepares you for solving equations and graphing functions. Simplifying does not change the value of the expression. It just rewrites it in a clearer, more manageable form. So, next time you have an algebra expression, use these steps to check if it is fully simplified.